Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to teach you how to create your own Arduino shield using a free software called CircuitMaker. The first thing that you need to do is go to circuitmaker.com. Then create an account, sign up. Now, after filling your information, you need to click accept. Then I'm not a robot. It's a free account. Then click on sign up. Once you go and check your email, you'll find that you just received a new email message. This is the email message that I just received. Now they are asking you to activate your account. Click here. The software is by Altium Designer company, which is a very famous company, and they have the Altium software. Now once you activated your account, you can sign in to CircuitMaker or download CircuitMaker. We need to sign in and to download. So let's open this in a new tab and click on sign in CircuitMaker. Now as you can see, once you click sign in, it will show you a window asking you to start the sign in process, and it will also ask you to log into the website. Now I let the download finish, then go back to install the software. I let the download finish, then come back to finish installing the software. Now as you can see, here is the .exe file. It's an online installer. Click on it. Now follow the instructions. Click on next. I agree. And sign in using your account. Now it's telling you what you need. Just click next. Choose where you want to install the software. I'll install it in, let's say, which drive. I'll install it on G. And change the document folder. Then click next. Next. Now it will take some time to download files. It will download about 700 megabyte files. Then it will install these files and the software will be good to go. So I'll come back once the downloading is finished. Now as you can see, the download or the installation completed. You have successfully installed CircuitMaker, so click on Run CircuitMaker. Allow access because it needs an internet connection. It will take some time to start. Meanwhile, let's go to the CircuitMaker website and see some examples. As you can see, people post projects on this website. you can simply thumb up a project that you liked. You can download that project material and you can create it yourself, or you can use the material that is available here. Click on view all. These are the most trending projects. You can search for Arduino Shield. As you can see, this is SPI 7 segment 4-digit display Arduino Shield. As you can see, let's open it up in a new window to check it out. This is Arduino board template, and this is Arduino Uno Shield, the one that I was talking about. You can create the shield yourself, or you can check these projects. This is the user interface. The first thing that you need to do is log in to the account that you created. Once you sign in, you will get access to all of these projects. You can add new project, or you can check other people projects. As you can see, these are the same projects as in the website. Now let's search for Arduino Shield. As you can see, we have this shield. If we click on this project, you can follow the creator so that you can get any shield that or any board that they create. You can open the design that they created. As you can see, it's loading files, so it's a very straightforward thing. You just need to choose the design that you like from the projects explorer. It's a free. And as you can see here we have the design files in the left side of the screen. This is the shield. And now it's starting the PCB editor so that you can edit the design to fit your needs. Now, as you can see, this is a PCB design for the Arduino Shield. You can use it, you can customize it depending on your needs, but that's it. This is how easy it is to get the Arduino Shield and start creating or adding your very own customized components to create your own very specialized Arduino Shield. Next lesson, we are going to show you how to customize this shield so that it can fit our needs and add more components to this already available for free project. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. This is Educational Engineering Team.